Welcome back to this exciting video where you will get a free API key for one of the most powerful coding AI models right now. No credit card, no wait list, and then we are going to connect it to the Claude Code-style CLI called OpenClaude that gives you the full agentic coding experience. So let's get started. So let's first of all GLM 5.1, which is a model from Z organization, a Chinese organization, and it is genuinely impressive for coding tasks. Second, that we will use Model. Model is a cloud compute platform and that give us the OpenAI compatible API for free. That means you will get a real API key, real endpoint in totally free. And third, we will use OpenCloud. Think like Claude Code, but this is open. It is a CLI tool that gives you the agentic coding loop right in your terminal. You talk to it, it reads your files, edit code, runs commands, and the whole thing. Put all these three together and you will have a powerful free AI coding setup. So let's move to the practical implementation. So first of all, move to model.com website. After opening this website, you will see this interface, and at the start, you can see the notification also. DLM 5.1 is available to try on model. So press this get started button. You will move to this page. And here you can see, you can copy this base URL, model name, and also on the left side, you can generate your API key. So this was the model where we will get our API key. But before this, you need to create your account inside model.com website. That's it. So after generating here, you will press this button. You just assign a name and generate your key and copy that key and store it somewhere. Later, now we will install OpenClaude and use it inside OpenClaude. So let's move to the OpenClaude. We will search here for OpenClaude. Simply search this and you will see this GitHub repository, OpenClaude. So let's open it. You will see it has 21.9k stars, 755k forks, and come down to install it. The contributors, you can see everything under this, and let's come and install this. For the installation, simply you can use this command to run it. Okay, copy this command and move to the terminal or VS Code editor. So let's open terminal. You can use command prompt or PowerShell. Also right click and install this uh, OpenClaude on your PC. So I have already installed it. After installing, simply run OpenClaude, this command, and you will see the interface of OpenClaude. Look at OpenClaude is running right now on our PC. And use this CLI tool, a very useful CLI tool. So after making this, now we would like to add our provider. It means to our model.com API key to use that inside OpenClaude. Right now it is using the model step 1, step 3.5 flash free. This and the endpoint is open router, but we will change this. So to change this, for that we will move /provider. Press enter. After moving to the /provider, this command, and here you will have 5 options: add provider, set active provider, edit provider, delete provider, and done. So first of all, we will add new provider. Press enter. So here you have the list of providers that you can choose: Anthropic, Olama, OpenAI, Mongoose, DeepSeek, Google Gemini. Which one? So we will move down to the custom one because we want to add a custom or OpenAI compatible provider. Press that. Now let's assign a name. So for that, simply assign a name custom open AI. I assigned this name. Press enter. Now the endpoint. So for the endpoint, we will come back to the model website, and here you can see this HTTP. Copy this until version 1. Okay, copy this URL and come back to the terminal and clean this open router and right click, paste that. After pasting that, press enter. Now it says model. So we will clear this model. We will use GLM 5.1. Clear this and come back to this model. And here you can see zorg GLM 5.1 FP8. Copy this. Come here back to the VS Code. Right click and press enter. So after that, for the API key. So for the API key, here you can generate on model, create generate key, and assign a name and generate your key. Just copy that API key and use that. So I have already created that. I will copy that. I will clear this Give the previous API key from open router, right click, and I will paste my new API key, press enter. So after that, we have added now our custom OpenAI provider. Now let's move to the done. That's it. Now to use and select our model/model, press enter. So here you will see all list up the models which are provided per you. We have open router GPT models, and we have added right now the uh, GLM 5.1 also. So come here down on 13 number, you can see Z or GLM 5.1. This is the model. Let's select this model. So we have selected now and changed our model. Let's simply just come here. Let's close it and run it once again to show you that. So you can see right now our model is Z or GLM 5.1 and the endpoint is. That's it. Now let's chat with this. Simply the first message, hi. It responded our query, but sometimes it will take time. The reason for that is that this is free and there is load on the server, so that's why the response will be late. You can chat with this and create your projects. I will create a simple project to show you. Create HTML for a hello world program. Just to show you, it is creating files also. Press enter. Inside this directory, it will create. So it has created now our hello world program. It says, do you want to create hello.html? Yes. This is yes. So it will create. Look at the hello.html has been created. You can see on the left side. Let's get down and see that. Look at this, our hello HTML program that you. So this is how you can build your projects, but it will be a little bit slow. The reason for that, there is load on the server, but sometimes when the load is less, it is not in busy mode, then you can generate it faster. To manage provider on this OpenClaude, for that simply write again provider and press enter. You can delete a provider simply and edit also. Delete, for example, which one you want, so you can that provider. This is a very good CLI tool. What else that I wanted to show you, one command that is about /status. Inside this, you will see your open AI base URL, which is right now using in the model where you are using it. So just check it also. It is referring to that endpoint or not. So that is the full setup. GLM 5.1 via models free API running inside OpenClaude's agentic CLI. All links are in the description. If this saved your money or time, drop a like. It genuinely helps this channel. Subscribe if you want more setups like this. I cover free and open AI tools every day. And let me know in the comment what you are going to build with this. See you in the next one.